Allegro Hoi An. A little luxury hotel, spa. 5 stars. Stay in the heart of Hoi An. Set in Hoi An in Quang Nam region, Allegro Hoi An, little luxury hotel and spa is 1,300 feet from Japanese covered bridge and assembly hall of the Cantonese Chinese Congregation. The hotel has a year-round outdoor pool, as well as provides free use of bicycles and shuttle service to the Hoi An ancient town and Bang Beach for in-house guests. The spacious but cozy bedroom and how friendly and helpful the staffs were. Breakfast was good. It changes every day. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Room was very good. And a staff Hana is very kind and always smile. The other staffs are not smile. Especially staffs of reception. Very nice staff and excellent food. We're offered 1 free dinner. Free shuttle to the beach. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.